In this video, we're going to be doing eggs, saltfish, baji or spinach, Jamaican callaloo, and all this good stuff going in it. Let me get fried.
Look at this place.
So I make a little mistake there. I was supposed to throw in my saltfish. Remember, it can make our time. I usually get heartburn if I don't fry up the saltfish properly. So that's why some people will throw the baji, then the saltfish. But that is heartburn for me. So I will just leave this frying down here a bit, and then we'll add in the rest of the chorai baji. We're not going to overbeat this. And we're going to add the egg in here. And start to work it in. Now this pot is quite hot. And believe you me, I think we have enough heat here to take off this stove in about 30 seconds. We want the egg being moist. So just keep working all that stuff at the bottom there. It's coming in nice. Packed with nutrition. Alright, so let's look on the plantain quickly. Yeah, green like that. Dishwashing liquid, thank you.
Top for the line, boy.
Right, so let's organize 3 plates.
And where you going to fry?
I'm going to fry some plantain quickly. Three of us. So we just want to cut this up into 3 long slices. Give them a little wriggle so they don't set to the bottom. Perfect. This is the official plate?
Yeah, that's plenty.
Okay. So guys, sending this to my sister.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah. Alright, so you'll check me back. The plantain will finish in a little while. And the plantain run away on me. Right, so just lifting it a little bit. We're trying to cool down this oil here. But there's enough heat here to finish fry out this plantain. That's a perfect dinner, guys. Let me taste it. So I really want to taste the egg by itself first. Yep. Alright, so one more bite here. Really good. Now let me tell you exactly what I like about this here. The baji, or the Jamaican callaloo or spinach, it is very, very fresh, as you can see, straight from the garden. There is still a lot of crunch in there, not the typical way we cook down this baji. All right, so it adds an entire different spin to the meal. The tomatoes, they came out exactly how I wanted it. I didn't want the tomatoes to melt away. So it's almost like having an egg with salad in it. And let me put a piece of plantain into the mixture here. Plantain pairs well with so many things. All right, so and just as I took that bite and my teeth was sinking into the plantain, a piece of that saltfish found its way in the bite. So going through that sweet plantain straight into that saltfish was a burst of flavors. I also get a hint of the onions. So altogether, it's really tasting delicious. For me, could have done with a little more pepper. I did forget to add black pepper into the egg mixture, so don't forget your black pepper. Guys, I'm going to finish enjoy this delicious meal.
Yes, man. This is healthy.
Delicious.
Very delicious. Second round?
Second round. I call my teeth sauce here, right? So I'm gonna recharge.
But it's better to eat now. But after the plate, I'm in the
I hope once again that you all enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments. I love to read them. Trinidadian living in Finland, I looked at one of your videos. Please give your wife my regards. I really enjoyed that pepper pork with a twist, with a Finnish twist. I really enjoyed it. So guys, you can go and check out this brother. All right, Trinidadian living in Finland. I am sure that you're going to enjoy the content. So guys, till next time,